TYEN stands for Tanzania Youth Environmental Network. This is the youth-led organization that was founded in 2006 when I was a college student at the University of Dar es Salaam. I decided to start TYEN because I came to realize most of the environmental problems that we're facing in our country are mainly caused by two things. One is lack of environmental education programs, especially for young people, children and youth. But on top of that is lack of involvement and participation of young people in environmental conservation initiatives in our country, in Tanzania. So when I was a student, then I decided to start a network that will collect and bring together young people that will participate in environmental conservation initiatives in Tanzania. So what we basically do, we are doing environmental education programs in primary, secondary school, as well as in colleges and higher learning institutions. And we are doing that by forming and establishing youth environmental clubs in primary schools, secondary schools, and in colleges. So far, we have managed to establish at least 20 youth environmental clubs in regions in Dar es Salaam, in Morogoro, and right now we are thinking of going in another region in Mwanza. So through a network of youth environmental clubs in primary and secondary schools, as well as in colleges and universities in Tanzania, we conduct various environmental education programs for young people. Number one, we conduct climate change education, and we are doing that by showing climate change film shows. For example, we have been showing the famous Al Gore climate change film called An Inconvenience Truth. But on top of that, we are also doing cleanup campaigns in schools and in communities to educate young people on proper waste management practice. But we're also doing tree planting initiatives. So far we have managed to raise over 20,000 trees that will be used in environmental education, but also in environmental conservation purpose in our country. So in the next 5 years, we are expecting to build a very strong network of youth environmental youth environmental clubs all over the countries in other regions that we have not been able to reach so far. But by doing that, we are expecting to inspire and motivate young people in Tanzania to take initiatives in environmental conservation projects, as well as in environmental management initiatives that not only are conducted by TYEN, but by other youth organizations. And by doing that, we expect that we will inspire and motivate young people to ensure we achieve the environmental sustainability, not only in our country, but also global. Thank you very much.